Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. My name is Leonette, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today I am continuing on my part 2 of my Christmas decorating, and I am going to be focusing on my entryway console table little area. And so I am starting with this old window. I have used some old windows in some previous projects, and this one is part of the group of windows that I got absolutely free on Marketplace about a year ago. And I cleaned it off and the glass, and just removed any dust or cobwebs that I had. I'm gonna add some hooks to the back, and then I'm gonna add it to the wall and kind of like above the console table. So I want to make something for the top of the window, and at this point, I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm just kind of taking things from that I already have, decorations that I'm going to use maybe on my tree, just grabbing a little bit here and there. And these are just some items that I've used in years past. So I'm just going to kind of create something for the top of the window, and keeping it in the same theme, which is kind of like a frosted theme this year. So that's what I'm doing here. I contemplated adding a bow to the front of it or the middle there, but I like bows. I'm just not a fan of them this year for some reason. So I am going to use some of the lamb's ear that I have used in pretty much all my Christmas decorations. And I took one of the branches, cut it into 3, and now I'm just placing it in the middle and securing it with hot glue. Next thing here is I am adding a garland. This garland I have had for many years. I flocked it several years back, and I'm going to reuse it again. I'm just fluffing all the branches, making sure that it is nice and fluffed before I start adding the front decorations. And on my mantle video, I showed how I flocked the garlands, so I'll link that video below. So now I'm adding some of the decorations that I DIY'd this year to the console table to just again just finish it up. So I'm not adding any decorations to the garland per se, but I'm just adding it to the front. This is something new that I'm doing this year. I am adding a tree. This is a smaller Christmas tree that I've had. It's one of those potted ones. And just fluffing it, the branches, making sure it's nice and fluffed. And I am going to be adding some fake snow, I guess. This is just some like pillow stuffing that I have. I thought about flocking this tree, but I don't know if I want to commit this tree to being flocked just quite yet. So instead, I'm just adding some faux snow to give it that snowy look to it. I did want the vase to have more of a frosted stone look, so I am dry brushing some paint to give it that look, and I'm just pretty much dry brushing is just a little bit of paint on the brush, and I am doing it on the same motion, round motion that the vase has. And with that, I am almost done. I'm just going to place this chair here and add some a blanket and a pillow, and then we'll be all done. And there it is, guys. I am so in love with this look. The frosted, snowy, red and white kind of Christmas. It's just exactly what I envisioned, and I'm so thankful everything came together so nicely. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to get some decorating done and maybe DIY some things here and there. But as always, guys, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. And check out my videos that I have linked on the bottom of my description box. So have a great day and have fun decorating.